Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the Metaverse Pirate and I'm not using my controllers, I'm using my hands. And this is my menu. Go like that. I can recenter my menu. And if I go to that, I have the menu button. So this is the Oculus button and the menu button. I discovered in the App Lab a hidden gem. And I'm about to embark on something great. Here we go. What's the name of the program? Well, so the advantage of the hands-free thingies is you need a lot of practice to learn all the movements like that. So you have to be very subtle with your fingers because they're very sensitive. But I must say the V67 updates made it much better. So let's go to the new program I bought. It's free for nothing for this moment because it's in the App Lab. It's called Space Atlas VR 2023. So let's start. So I'm inside the program. Please use hand tracking for the best experience, but I have to reach for open tutorial. We'll start with the basic one.
Welcome to the tutorial of Space Atlas VR. It is designed to familiarize you with the Atlas user interface, which is designed to be hand-controlled. Please complete each required action to proceed. Press Start to begin the tutorial. At any time, you can press Quit Tutorial and restart tutorial. Look to your left and to your right. The Atlas user interface is now. Do the same with the blue panel with the tag navigation. Finally, look at the large red panel further away from the platform. The Atlas is controlled mainly through buttons. These buttons behave much like those of a keyboard. Click the Explore button in front of you.
Well, there's a small lag in the system. I'm inside my circle and it's not aligned. So I have to restart the program and change my circle to the room. So that's something very important. So I will restart the program because I cannot reach the button. So
now click the Open button beneath the Earth model on your right, inside the... Some 3D objects can be picked up with your hands. To do so, you need to pinch the...
Oh dear.
"3D miniatures are a special kind of 3D objects. They are small glass spheres like the one you've just manipulated. The 3D miniatures can be picked up with your fingers, rotated and scaled like shown. Some 3D models can be exploded to access additional details about its components and structure. When available, model explosion is controlled through a slider. Press the Info Table button on the control panel to load a new 3D model. Use the green slider to control the exploded view of the Earth.
Press the Info Table button on the purple panel. But I cannot reach it, so I have to restart the program. One moment.
This tutorial is almost over. You will soon start exploring the Space Atlas. The Atlas comprises 3 main chapters: the Earth, the Solar System, and the Universe. The contents of these chapters will be shown all around you, but you will always find the most important elements in the main scene area in front of you. The configuration panel can be found on the left of the main scene. The Select Chapter and Navigation panel used to access chapters' contents are on its right. To complete the...
Welcome to the Space Atlas experience.
Now I'm using the controllers again because the hand thingy is not so good. So let's explore the Earth. Okay, loading. Oh, looks very promising. So it's better if I use my select chapter. Yes. Data layers. Oh, looks very promising. So many buttons. Exploring the Earth. Help coming soon. Yes. Options. Oh yes. A lot of buttons. Oh dear. Ah, it works like that. Oh, this is a great program, and it's free for nothing. Well, for the moment now. Data layers. Active fire. Wow. So there are active fires over there. Wow, this is great. This is a hidden gem in the MetaQuest tree. Sometimes you find hidden gems. So next month, temperature anomaly. Wow, this is great. So it's telling about the climate change. Wow, this is great. So you can compare left Earth, right Earth, and you can compare the heating of the Earth. You can see over there America, and have to turn it like that. Oh yes, there you can see all the wow. This is a very great property. Do you really want to change the chapter? Select chapter. Specialized Earth. Oh, there's so many programs in here. Specialized Earth missions. Okay. So I'm learning. What do I do now? Wow, this is great. The James Webb Telescope. Eat your heart out, Don Hopper from Up Yours VR. I'm the first one who discovered this program. Don Hopper, that upstart from Up Yours VR. Change mission. I'm the first, you know. Oh dear. I can push buttons, as many as I like. Earth Moon system. Wow, this is a hidden gem. Visit the moon, of course I will. And it's so intuitive. Wow. This is like Star Chart meets Titans in space. Oh, this is set time speed. Select scale, select chapter. No. Where all the moon landings are. Info panel. Oh, I'm on the moon. Wow. American flag, yes. It's not the Chinese flag. Oh, this is a great program. So I'm in my helmet. Space Atlas VR. A very promising program. Can I pick up that rock? Hammer and feather. What's that? So this is the first time I'm using this program, so I don't have a clue what's all this. Oh yes. If you put a hammer, I know that story. One moment, I'm a bit clumsy. Oops. Oh, if you drop the feather, drop objects, yes. The feather and the hammer will fall at the same speed because there's no atmosphere on the moon. Drop objects. And if you do the same on the Tower of Pisa, like Galileo Galilei did, then the hammer would fall first and then the plume, the feather. Anyhow, you know that story. Moon panel. Visit Eagle Lander. Yes. Whoa. This is great. Oh, I feel one step for man, One giant leap for mankind, something like that. Wow, this is great. I can press buttons. Exit Moonlander. So many labels on, labels off. HUD. I don't know what a HUD is. Moon panel, visit Eagle, leave moon surface. Yes. Well, I think this program will be hours and hours of fun. I only scratched the surface of this program. This is a great program. And not made in China, by the way. Let me see now. Select chapter. Yes. Solar system. Yes. Loading. Wow. This is okay, navigation. Mars. See. Let's go to Mars. Wow. And this program is free. Do you believe this? This program is absolutely free. Go. Okay, yes. Going to Mars. Now what? Info panel. Click. View. Oh. Oh yes, it's an info reset. Yes. Visit planet. Loading. Oh, this is great. Phoebus and Deimos. It means fear and the other word I can't remember. Oh yes, I can make it bigger like that. Oh, I can turn it like that. Oh, I feel like Tony Stark. Tony Stark and Jarvis. Remember that movie? Land on Mars. Took my helmet. Land on Mars. Okay. I think this program will be hours and hours of fun. Ooh, yes. Curiosity. Uh-oh. I'm on Mars. Eat your heart out, Elon Musk. Whoa. I feel like Matt Damon in that movie, The Martian. Let's press some buttons. Mars rover panel. Open. Perseverance. Open. Oh, I can see everything. Pod. Landing. 3D model. Oh dear, can I? No, cannot take it. Place any element on top of the disk to obtain additional info. A moment. System view. I'm learning. Change mission. Ingenuity. It was open. Open? I said open? Yes. Okay. Whoa. Let's go to the next planet. It's a very quick visit to the solar system. Oh dear. Where is that planet? Saturn. Visit. Saturn with his rings. Whoa, great. Close. You have voices. Close. I said close. Options. Tools. Save experience. Gallery on. Open credits. So many buttons to explore. You cannot land on Saturn. On the moons you can land. Land on Saturn moons. Titan. Titan has an oxygen of nitrogen, helium, and ammoniac. Ooh, inside Titan. There are liquid oceans of nitrogen, and it is a possible candidate for life. The Titan panel, that's a bit boring. Leave Titan space. Let's go another planet. Neptune. Visit. Neptune info. Missions coming soon, so the program is in development. Surface internal structure. One moment. Let's have a look. Yes, now you have to take it like that. Oops, turning. Oh, they're all the moons. The Spina, Nayada. Wow. This program is wonderful. Neptune info. Some buttons are still Jupiter. This will be hours of pleasure. So I take... You can do it with the controllers or with your hands, but I prefer the controllers. Oh dear. It's a great way to explore the solar system. Okay, and last but not least, the sun visit. Because it's the sun who gives us life. Okay, take the sun like that. Do I see sunspots? No. Options. Let me see now. Oh, the Earth. Let's visit the Earth. That troublesome planet with a lot of problems. Open surface. Earth atmosphere already did that. The moons. Open. Okay. A great way to learn geography, because I'm a master in geography, and about 85% of all Americans cannot point their own country on a globe. That's pitiful, really, and they don't like to be reminded of that. When you ask an average American, show your country, they're pointing at the North Pole. So I'm making fun of it, yes, I know. Because we Europeans, we don't understand that. Why they don't teach geography in American schools. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well, okay. Let me see my own country. Okay. My own country. Oh, there's my country. Yes. Oh, I can see my own country. Well, there you have it. This is my first view of the program, and I am impressed. And it's absolutely free. Can you imagine? So, was this change? Okay. Thanks for watching. This is the premiere of this wonderful program you can find in the Meta Store. And it's absolutely free, and it's still in development. So downloaded it, because in a few months' time we'll ask money for it. So okay, thanks for watching, and want to beam up Mr. Scotty.